magandang gabi. Kain po tayo ng balot. Ayan na. Kain po. Bumili po ako dun sa suki ko ng balot. Ayan ang yummy. Ayan na. Yummy. Kain po tayo pampalakas tuhod. Sarap niya.
What's this? What is this? Bro? Bro, there are 4 pages already. Chapter 2. Wait, let me look. Let me see how there are 4 pages. No, it is not. Oh my god.
Diba? Sarap niya.
Listen to friends.
Sarap talaga ng balot. Dati hindi ako nito kumakain. Balot na to. Ngayon trip kumain. Ayan. Sarap. Nasarapan ako.
What? What?
Yummy.
Yes.
Diba?
What about just the company duos? What about that? What? What?
Kain.
Yes.
Tumutulo.
That's why I love Bali CC.
Sobrang sarap.
Why don't should you add him back? Let's go to that.
Sarap niya talaga.
Oh, these are still bad. Sayang! Wanna go home? The hell one is that the company wanna access my avatar.
Sarap, maasim-asim.
Come on, go.
Na maanghang.
Let's go get some scraps. We only have quota 2 days. No.
Ayan siya.
No.
Yan.
Please. What is your thing?
Bye! At good night sa inyo lahat. Ang hindi pa po dyan kumakain, kain na po tayo.
Well, mine is like 500.
Nang kanin muna bago magbalot, di ba?